Hi children, today we solve some problems. Your exercise 1.1, page number 14. Then first question, using appropriate properties, find. Then listen here. Negative, first question, negative 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Do you know how many terms this is? Look, this 1, 2, 3 terms. Look at these 3 terms, we can rearrange one more time. Then I write, look, 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by, the next last term. Last term sign which sign? Negative. 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Then second term I write last as last 5 by 2. Here we change the order. So do you know which property is this? This property commutativity. Then by commutativity. Then look at this tens, which is a common number, we can take out the bracket. Look at this 3 by 5 and this 3 by 5. This 3 by 5 we can write outside the bracket, and the inside remaining numbers you write inside the bracket. Look which is remaining negative 2 by 3. Negative 2 by 3. The next which sign? Minus. Then remaining 1 by 6. Then plus 5 by 2. Then 3 by 5. First we solve inside the bracket. Negative 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Look here 3 and 6. Denominators are 3 and 6. This is different denominator. So we find this different denominator convert into same denominator. Look here, this is 3 multiply by which number we get to this 6? 3 multiply 2. Here denominator multiply by 2. So numerator also multiply by 2. Then minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Then 3 by 5. Negative 2 into 2, negative 4 by 6 minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Then 3 by 5. Then solve this negative 4 upon 6 minus 1 by 6. Then how to this subtraction rule we use here. Look, this additive inverse of 1 by 6 is negative 1 by 6. This negative 1 by 6 add with negative 4 by 6. So answer, what is answer? Negative 5 by 6. Then we remove the bracket. So multiplication negative 5 by 6 plus which 5 by 2. Then look, this 5 and this negative 5 cut, here negative 1 and positive 1. This 3 and 6 one time and here 2 times. So 1 into negative 1, 1 into negative 1, negative 1 by 1 into 2, 2 plus which number? 5 by 2. Here look, denominators are same. So you write that same denominator and add this number. Negative 1 plus 5 is equal to which number? Negative 1 plus 5 is 4. 4 by 2, answer 2. Is it clear? Then next, sorry, this which property? This property by distribution. By distributive property we use here. Is it clear? The next, rational number represented on a number line. Then 3 by 4 represented on a number line. Look, first we draw a line. Then mark 0. We know positive numbers represent right side of the 0 and negative numbers, rational numbers represent left side of the 0. 1, 2. This is positive 1 and positive 2. How many unit we? This is first unit, second unit. And negative 1, negative 2. Then we represent 3 by 4 on a number line. This 4 shows denominator, means here denominator 4. 4 shows this first unit divided into how many equal parts. Means here how many 4 denominator which number? 4. So denominator shows this first unit represent how many equal parts. Here 4, denominator 4. So this unit 0 to distance between 0 to 1 divided into how many equal parts? 4 equal parts. Then 1, 2. Is it clear? Then next this first part from 0, start from 0. Then this first mark is 1 by 4th, 1 upon 4. Second 2 upon 4. Then 3 upon 4 and 4 by 4. So which rational number we represent? 3 by 4. So this. Is it clear? Then another rational number, negative 7 by 4. Negative 7 by 4 represent on a number line. So this is negative rational number. So which side? Left side of the 0. Then this 0, 7 divided by 4. Then this we can write is equal to 1, 3 by 4. Note 2 note complete. So we know this position, this negative 7 by 4 is between which number? Negative 1 and negative 2. Then next look what is the denominator here? 4. So the distance between 0 to negative 1 divided into how many equal parts? 4 equal parts. Look, 4 equal parts. And the same as look the distance between negative 1 to negative 2 also divided into 4 equal parts. Then start from 0, 1, negative 2 by 4, negative 3 by 4, negative 4 by 4, negative 5 by 4, negative 6 by 4, negative 7 by 4, negative 8 by 4. Here we represent which number? Negative 7 by 4. Where is negative 7 by 4? Look this. This negative 7 by 4. Then is it clear? Then another example. I represent 5 by 8 6 by 8. Then same as, look, this is positive number. Then 0, 1, this is 2. Here, look, here denominator which number? Denominator is 8. So the distance between 0 to 1. First unit we divided into how many equal parts? 8 equal parts. Then 8 equal parts. So first part 1 by 8, 2 by 8, then 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8 and 8 by 8. Then 5 by 8 which position? This point 5 by 8 and 6 by 8 next point. Is it clear? Okay. The next, no. Write rational number between 2 given. Means find 5 rational number between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Two by 3 and 4 by 5. Write 5 rational number between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Look at this rational number. It's rational numbers denominators are different. So first this different denominator convert into same denominator. First step 2 by 3. Right? This is first rational number multiply by second rational numbers denominator. Look, 5. Second rational numbers denominator which number? 5. Denominator multiply by 5. Numerator also multiply by 5. Is equal to which number? 10 by 3 5s are 50. Then and second rational number 4 by 5. This 4 by 5 multiply by first rational numbers denominator. Here first rational numbers denominator is which number? 3. And here also 3. So look, 12 by 50. Look here, this is 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. Here between this 10 by 15 and 12 by 15, how many rational number you get? Here only between which 11 by 15. So we not get 5 rational numbers. Then next one more time we multiply this number. Look, 10 by 15 multiply by any number we can take. I take here 5. Look. Okay, 5. Here also 5. And second 12 by 50. Multiply which number here? 5. Here also 5. So answer which number is equal to 15 by 75. And 12 by 50 into 5 into 5 is equal to which number? 16 by 75. Then between 15 by 75 and 16 by 75 we can write rational numbers. So we can write, we have look, 15 after 51 by 75, then 52 by 75, 53 by 75, 54 by 75 and 55 by 75. How many rational number we want? Here we want only 5 rational numbers. So we write 5 rational numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rational numbers. So then we have this as the rational number between which 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Look here, first here denominators are different. So first we convert this different denominator convert into same denominator. Here different denominator convert into same denominator. Denominators are different. First we convert same different denominator into same denominator. Then look, do you get 5 denominator from this numbers 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. Here we get only 1. So we this same number we again divided by any other number. If you get 5 denominator, we can take that. Otherwise we can multiply again. Here we get 5 denominator. More than 5 denominator we get, we take only 5 denominator as the rational number between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Then is it clear? Then your exercise 1.1 and 1.2 balance all the questions you should do yourself and write your fair copy. Is it clear? Okay, thank you.